Okay, so if you're able to hear me clearly and also see the screen, please type LC, that is loud and clear, in the chat. Are you able to hear me clearly as well as see the screen? Then you will type LC in the chat. Wonderful, wonderful. So welcome all of you to Train the Trainer online introduction. And here is my first question to all of you. If you can just have your cameras on for some time, probably till the instruction, it will be really great. So I just wanted to know how many of you are aspiring to become trainers? At least if you're already in the training field, also to become an online trainer. Just wave your hands. Wave your hands. Let me see you wave. How many of you there? Wave your hands. Amazing, amazing. And how many of you have just come here to see whether you can be a trainer? Also, you can wave your hands. You're not a trainer, but you've come here to see if you can become a trainer. That's also fine. Wonderful. So, welcome to this program of Train the Trainer. I'm Dr. Purni. I'm a happiness and success coach and founder of Happiness and Success Academy. And today, I'm so glad that all of you are here on time. I really value that presence of you people being here. And also, this is like, during the lockdown, the evening time, and you have made up your mind to come here. You could have been doing anything. You could have been spending time with your family. You could have been doing anything possible, but you have made up your mind to come here for today's session. Shows your commitment, shows that you are committed to take your life to the next super level. And I truly appreciate and really respect the fact that your time is precious, your energy is precious, and everything is precious. And I'm going to be promising you that for the next, I would say, the 1 hour that you're going to spend with me, I will give my 100% to ensure that you are learning as much as required, about this Train the Trainer program and how you can kickstart your online trainer journey. So I'm just giving you that promise. All right. So are you all there with me also? Giving your 100% commitment. Yes. And one request would be like, when you're not talking, I would request all of you to mute yourself. When you want to talk, you can definitely unmute. Yes. So, and yeah, now we're going live. We're going live. I would suggest that you have your headphones or earphones so that you can hear me very clearly without any interruption. All right. And I can also hear clearly when you are speaking. I need to start with this slide of congratulations for making that decision of being here today evening. And definitely, like, today I'm going to be sharing lots and lots of insights that is going to be really helpful for you to kickstart your career. And this is an introduction program, which means that the main program is heading from this weekend. Okay, this weekend, Sunday, it's going to be starting. The main program is starting. And today is all about you getting to know what all will be covered in the main program and how this main program can help you kickstart your career as an online trainer. Yes. So before I just go into the session, can I have your permission to tell a little bit about myself? Yes. Can I have that yes in the chat? Wonderful. Okay, thank you. So, as I said that I'm currently a happiness and success coach, but it all started with my journey being 0% happy, 0% successful. I was in a very good paid job. I was working as a uh, trained in the training and development department of Cognizant Technologies Solutions. Yes, we all know CTS is a very big company. I was there and I was earning pretty much close to 70,000 per month. But still, I felt it was very difficult for me to actually manage both my family life, my everything together, you know, my career, my family, everything together. So what I really had was like I had a pressure in my life where I had lots and lots of challenges facing in my personal life as well as my professional life. So I was forced to resign, and I also gave birth to my child. So altogether I had to resign my job, after which I was clueless about my life. All right, I was totally clueless. And that was a point I felt I was just 0% happy, 0% successful. And I always had the flair to do some trainings, but there were a lot of challenges that I was going through at that point of time. Okay, it was close to around 2012, which I'm just talking about. 2012 November, I'm talking about. And I would say this is going to be a 10 years journey of me deriving everything step by step. And that's going to be like, that was really a very, very cumbersome process for me, because I had the list of so many challenges. And I know that there are a couple of you who are also having similar challenges. If you have similar challenges of this, whatever I'm going to be reading out, you can type me in the chat. Me, M-E. You can type me in the chat so that I will know, you know, so that I will know that where you are also having the same challenge, and I can also see how it can be addressed. Yes. So first thing is like, though I had a flair for training, I did not have any idea of what to train about. I did not know what I should train people on. I had no clue. And second thing is like, I also did not have a platform on how and what I can go about with the training. Whom should I approach? How do I go about? I didn't have any platform. So if you're also facing the same similar issues, you can type me in the chat. And the third thing is, I saw that I was training. When I was a trainer, there was no source for a continuous income for me. Okay, no source for there are some months where I get training, some months I don't get any trainings at all. There was no continuous flow of income. All right, so that was another challenge that I was facing. And see, are you all with me? If you're with me, then you will just type with you in the chat, so that I will know that I'm just connecting and I'm there with you. How many of you are with me? Just type with me in the chat. Wonderful, wonderful, super. Only two of you. What about the others? Johnson G, INNOPPL. Can I know your name, please? What about others?
Myself
Yeah,
Vishnu. I just joined through my official ID.
wonderful, Vishnu. Wonderful. Yes. Okay, Pandian G, Elizabeth G. You're all with me? With me, Selvam G. Wonderful. Who else is with me? Beautiful. Pankaj G is with me. What about Jagadish Ji? Are you with me? Jagadish Manjula. Are you with me? Pooja Ji, Maran Ji. Are you all with me? Wonderful. So these were the things. And there was no support or help, because nobody in my family knew about anything about my training or anything. And one more thing is like, I had no clue how to get digital. Now that was a scenario that I experienced even now. And so I was just keeping on doing face to face training, and I did not know how to face camera. I did not have the income or money to invest on whatever I wanted to do. So I always had a constant doubt whether it will work for me. And I had unwanted personal stress also. Communication issues were there. Okay, so, and I had no experience and did not know how to take videos. So many things. these were the challenges when I had to start into my training journey and go ahead with it. Each and every challenge popped up in one phase of my life. All right. So, but then I really thought I need to start taking charge of my life. And there were a couple of years I was working all by myself. I thought I can do everything. I will solve my life. I will resolve my life. I can do everything. But guys, I need to tell you that I wasted 7 years doing that. Okay, 7 years where, like, I would say I was moving like a snail or a tortoise. That was the speed of how my career was moving. All right. So till the point, like, when I decided, okay, chalo, let me learn from my failures. Anyways, the failures have all built my success muscles, I would say. So this was the biggest lesson for me. And that was the time I started, okay, this is not going to work just by all myself. Let me take help from the people, you know. And then I started attending lots and lots of trainings. And I would say that by God's grace, I've got the most wonderful and the most brilliant and the gurus in my life. Yes, if you have seen, just a minute. Just Okay, so if you see that I've been always with all the wonderful gurus that I've always adored and learned a lot in every phase. Now I would be saying that I have at least attended close to 500 plus trainings till now. And that was how, when I started implementing in every training, I would be learning something or the other, and I will be implementing it. And that way, I'm saying that once I started taking help, my life started turning easy, and it started, accelerating. And that is where I would say, from the place I was 0% happy, 0% successful, today I stand before you as a happiness and success coach who have trained at least 80,000 plus people on happiness and success. And I would say that this journey was not very simple. It was really difficult because I had to really, push out, and lot of things that I had to unlearn and relearn. So many things happened. And I would say that it is all not possible without the support of our family members, well-wishers. But those people are not going to support us unless we have proved something to them. Yes, because my family, when I went and said I'm going to be a trainer, it's like totally Greek and Latin for me, for them, because nobody in the past 10 generations of my family have been a trainer. Yeah. And they did not know about the journey. They said, why not become a college professor? Because that is the only higher cadre of teaching profession that they know. All right. So that is when, I was so persistent that I started doing my journey. And I need to tell you that with that, total lots and lots of such struggles that I've come through, hurdles that I've come through, and I really had a mission. Okay, this Happiness and Success Academy was started with a mission that all the people need to have the access of happiness and success that they truly deserve easily. They need not struggle like me. They did not waste 10 or 15 years like me. All right, they need to get it easily. And that is why we have our mission to ignite millions of lives through training and coaching, and help people live a life of absolute happiness and success that they truly deserve. And this is a mission that we want to take it forward with everybody, because each and every person in this world, that too in the current scenario, are just longing to be happy and successful. And there is no school or college which teaches how to do it. And that is where we have come up with this mission of igniting lives and helping them access their own happiness and success totally, and live a life of fullest happiness and success. All right. So definitely now, once I've started persistently moving forward and seeing a lot of results, my family is totally in support, and everyone supports and loves me. And these are some of the schools and colleges programs that we have done, and some corporate programs and open to public programs. There's some proud moments of getting awards, radio programs and TV programs, and these are some of the feedbacks that people have sent to us. And I would say I would say that these are certain certifications that I've completed, and I'm telling you all this because of the fact that whatever you're going to be experiencing, as a journey in Train the Trainer is not something which is going to be a mediocre, not even a mediocre. Whatever you're going to be experiencing in Train the Trainer online in the main program, it's going to be world class. I would say that you are going to be getting all that required to start your training career then and there after you complete your course. Yes, this is going to be a certified program for you, and we are going to be ensuring that you are totally equipped to start your career immediately after you complete your journey. How many of you are excited to start your career immediately after you complete your Train the Trainer certification here? Just type excited in the chat. How many of you are really excited for that? Just type excited. How many of you want that for you? Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. Yes. So type in the chat excited. All right, type in the chat excited so that I will know how many of you are really having that enthusiasm. See, guys, as trainers or as aspiring trainers, I need to tell you energy. Energy is everything. Okay, so the energy that you're going to be giving is what is going to kickstart your life and start attracting the positivity in your life. So if you are going to be excited about it and you're going to be giving your 100% towards it, if you're not excited, you're like, okay, fine, you talk, I'm not excited, then it's not going to happen. That's how law of attraction works, law of manifestation works. Anything that you take works. It is all driven by your energy. So guys, what I want you to do is, put your hands like this. And when I say, are you ready? You're going to just put your hands like this and say, yes, I'm ready, with all that enthusiasm. And I'm going to be unmuting you for that so that you will be having that total energy to say that, yes, I'm ready. Are you all ready? So 1, 2, 3. You can unmute and say, yes, I'm ready. Are you all ready? Unmute and say, yes, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Come on, this is not the energy. This is not the energy of a trainer. So if you are really aspiring to be wonderful trainers, then I want that energy from you. How many of you are ready? Put your hands like this and say, yes, I'm ready. And
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
beautiful.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Wonderful, wonderful. I heard 4 people out of the 11 people say, yes, I'm ready. What about the others? What about the others? Yes. Are you all ready? Are you all ready for the session today?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, ready, ma'am.
Not enough energy at all. I'm the one person and you're 12 of you, in front of me. Is there any chance you can match my energy? I'm giving you an open challenge. How many of you say I can match your energy and then say, yes, I'm ready? How many of you are going to do that? Are you all ready, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
I'm
ready.
I
ready.
am ready, ma'am.
Yes, I am ready.
Wonderful. So guys, how do you feel when you tell that with energy? And how did you feel like before without the energy? You said, yes, I'm ready. There is a total difference. Yes, there's a total difference. and you're going to be actually learning such practical things on how you can be that energetic person and how you can derive that energy from your people also. Yes, so as a trainer, I would say that this is not going to be a simple thing of just coming and just having what do you say, uncommitted relationship and just doing the program for the sake of it. I'm saying that is not for me. All right, when you have decided that yes, I am going to be contributing, I am going to be there, then I would say give your 100%, and for that, energy is the key. All right, energy is a key, energy is everything. The more the energy you push into your life, the more positive it's going to be running. So if you're going to be with all enthusiasm telling your spouse, hi, come on, let's have a superb day, then the day is going to be good. When your spouse comes and tells and you're saying, yeah, come on, shut up, I'm already tired, then the day is going to be totally different. You might even end up being in hospital. Okay, so guys, I'm telling you, energy is going to be the essential thing. And whenever I'm going to be asking you, are you ready, you're going to tell with all the enthusiasm that yes. And you know what, the short form of that yes is going to be with like this. Okay, you can just type yes, yes, with so much of attitude. That's going to be that energy. Yeah. So guys, now that not the simple yes, it's going to be yes with such attitude and with such power and energy. Okay, so you can add how much ever yes into it to make it more powerful. All right, so guys, are you all ready for a story? Yes, are you all ready for a story? How many of you love stories? Say, type I love stories in the chat. Just type I love stories in the chat. If you love stories, type I love stories. And I'm going to be showing you the story of two fishes. Okay, this is a story of two fishes, and here is this. Are you feeling anxious about the... So guys, I need to ask you, most of us are like feeling so anxious during this lockdown period, and if you're already in the training field, you're so anxious, how is my career going to go, what should I do, I have no clue how to go digital, and how should I take forward, will it work for me, I'm so nervous before the camera, and so many things are running before your head. Now, guys, I need to tell you, this is going to be the answer for whatever was running in your head. If you had a tinge of doubt, how is my life going to be after the pandemic? I'm saying you, this video is going to give you the answer. So I want you to pay total attention to this video. And then after seeing this video, you will be sharing with me what is your learning, what is your key takeaway from this video. Yes, are you all ready to go? Can I start the video? Can I have yes in the chat? Yeah, amazing Vishnuji, super. And Johnson ji, wonderful. Okay. Future after this lockdown period. Do you want to use this lockdown period more productively? Sorry. This video, I'm going to be sharing about how you can remove your anxiety and use this lockdown period more productive for you. I'm going to be telling you a story of two fishes. This is the life of two fishes living in a tank. They lived their life so happy, contented and comfortable in the tank. And whatever food they got in the tank, they just ate and then operated within the tank limits. Now here is what happened one day. These two fishes were left into an ocean. They were perplexed as to the atmosphere of the ocean, which was very new to them. Here is two choices for them. One, they can just go ahead and explore the ocean. Or two, still think about their life in the tank and keep operating within that limits. This is what fish number one did.
The fish number 1 made a
Purni, you are on mute actually.
So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. So we were like the we were like that fishes in the tank, actually operating in our own locality. That's like the tank. Now that this lockdown has pushed us into ocean, yes, and we're perplexed, we don't know what to do, how we can take forward in our career or a journey in this ocean. Now there are two choices. That is what this video is all about.
its mind to go forward and explore the ocean. It thought that it never got hurt, so it moved little more further. And one day it was just having the complete ocean of opportunities explored and living a happy and successful life in this ocean. Whereas in the case of fish number 2, it was still not having the courage to explore the ocean. It was just operating within the limit of the tank. And what really happened was, when it could not move further, it just had to survive within this tank limit in the ocean. It did not get the food it was requiring, it did not get the opportunities that it had, or it could not survive very long, and it had to die there. Now here is a question for you. Do you want to live like the fish number 1 or fish number 2? Obviously, you all wanted to be like the fish number 1, right? Now here is what
How many of you want to be like fish number 1 or fish number 2? What do you want to be? Just put it in the chat. What do you want to be? Fish number 1 or fish number 2? Put it in the chat. You want to be like the fish number 1, ready to explore the whole ocean, or like the fish number 2, still operating in the tank and complaining that I'm not getting business, I'm not doing this. What do you want to be? Wonderful, wonderful. So all of you are choosing fish number 1, right?
what you can do during this lockdown period. You have two choices. One, to explore the ocean of opportunities that is available before you, apart from the limited opportunities that you were operating in your earlier life. Or two, you can still think about the limits that you are currently facing and still operate within your comfort zone. So I'm going to be telling you the 3 steps that you can take up to live your life like fish number 1. The first step is you need to find your gaps, the gap that is currently not letting you operate in your full potential. Once you identify those gaps, get into the solution mentality of finding the right solutions to reach the people or to produce your service or ensure that your life is getting more productive. Once you started finding your solutions, the third step is the most important step of taking action. Take action, move a little further, and finally what will happen is the ocean of opportunities that you never even imagined about will be open to you. I'm Dr. Purni, I'm a happiness and success coach, and I've been doing a lot of face-to-face live programs for schools, colleges and corporates. But after this lockdown period, I really thought that that industry is currently going to be obsolete for some time till this lockdown period is going to get over. Now I had 2 choices, thinking like the fish number 1 or thinking like the fish number 2. I chose to think like the fish number 1, and I have now started doing a lot of WhatsApp courses, webinars, and also this YouTube channel had been started only after this lockdown period. Now here is what you can also do for yourself. Stop worrying, take action, and explore the ocean of opportunities that is available for you during this lockdown period. Here is my question for you. How do you plan to make this lockdown period more productive for you? Please post your answers in the comment section below. That will also help.
Okay, so here is my question to you. What did you learn from this video? What did you learn? What was your key takeaway from this video? Put it in the chat. What was your key takeaway from this video? A lot of you want to be like the fish number one, but how can you do that? What is that? Yeah, courage, amazing. You can tell your name also because the name wasn't displayed. Yeah, courage is one. What else is you're learning from this video? What else is the learning?
Good evening, Virendra.
Pardon?
Good evening, sir. Sir, we are live now on YouTube and everywhere.
We are live. Okay.
Yeah, diversification goal for what you
Ma'am
have.
is also there?
Yes, sir. Ma'am has also.
I'm not hearing you, G. Just a minute. Exploring new ideas, wonderful. And then a lot of things, beautiful learnings. Yes, what were you telling? Okay, so I need to tell you that, yeah, be daring to explore the unexplored terrains. Amazing, yeah. You're so amazing, all of you. Wonderful participation. Super. Yeah, creativity. Lot of things we learned, right? So guys, can I also share one major learning of that I wanted to share with you also, and what I had from this story? Can I have your permission for that? Yes. So can I also share? Yeah, exploring new opportunities, breaking from the comfort zone. That's amazing. For learning, there's no limit. Wonderful. Yes. So guys, my key learning that I wanted to share with you is this. We're all there in this pandemic, really worrying about what is not going to happen. But when in the process of worrying about not going to happen, what is not going to happen, we are leaving to focus what can happen now. Okay, so I really want you to just be like that fish number one. Go and explore whatever you feel like, wanting to explore. Just have that mindset to go and explore. Keep moving, and slowly you will be able to conquer the whole ocean of opportunities. I need to tell you that till the point I was a face-to-face trainer, wherein I was just operating in my locality and nearby localities as going and taking face-to-face sessions. I was able to cover very, very less people. But once I went into, getting digital, getting online, I'm telling you that last time when I did my NLP program, I'm also a trainer certified in NLP from US Federation of NLP, and I do NLP programs also. When I did my NLP programs, in the intro session, there was a person from Nigeria attending. There was a person from South Africa attending. And I felt so good that I'm able to reach out to people in the world. And that is the kind of potential that, this online or the digital training market has. So I need to tell you that e-learning is climbing to at least $325 billion by 2025. This is the from Forbes magazine. This is what they have actually come up with the research and declared it for people. And how many of you want to have a little bit of share from this $325 billion? How many of you want to have? Tell I want it. IWI. Just I want it. Just tell that in the chat. Unless you're wanting it, you're not going to get it. So please tell I want it, and it's going to be available for you. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So that is a point wherein I need to tell you that, you can get it, and you would be always able to get it. Just a minute. Yeah, you can get it, and you will be always able to get it. And there was again another analysis that went with, you know, what is actually being a challenge for trainers for not getting it. And there was a big survey that happened for that. And you know what, can you guess what really popped up? Why trainers are not able to go online or not able to get the real essence of how what they really truly deserve? Can you guess anything in the chat? Can you guess anything in the chat? What do you think is the biggest reason trainers are not able to succeed? What is the biggest obstacle or fear that they hold? Can anybody tell the answer? Technology, okay. I think is a major challenge or obstacle for any trainer not being able to succeed. Any replies in the chat? Okay, no. Okay, self-motivation, content, self-confidence. Yeah, there was a video on which I didn't realize. Thank you for telling me that. And then digital platform, not moving to explore. Okay, so I think a lot of you are close to that answers, but I'm going to be giving you the survey results also. Okay, the biggest thing, the biggest fear or obstacle as a trainer is this, which is called procrastination. Most of the trainers or most of us are always procrastinating. Let me do it later. Okay, let me wait for the right time. So guys, if you are thinking that I'm not able to succeed, I would say that there are a lot of things that is going to be also operating in our mind, because we're all into that same mindset of wanting to be a trainer, and that too successful one. All right, and the second thing, the biggest thing is going to be imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome is like the fear or, you know, the doubt whether I'm good enough, whether I can, lot of doubts on yourself. So all these things, am I good enough, self-doubt. And you know, that little voice in our head always keeps telling, oh my God, what if people did not like it? What if you cannot do it? What if the content was not appropriate? What if you could not convince people? So many things. Yes. So if you want to be successful as a trainer, if you wanted to start operating good as a trainer and very successful in your career, I need to tell you that you need to first get over such things, you know, such doubts in your head, such procrastination mindset. And once you're going to do that, and I would say that the one solution that is going to help you do that is going to be the Train the Trainer online program. Okay, this program is going to be completely helping you do that. Yes, and this is going to be a 5-week program, and it's going to be exactly 5 steps to kickstart your online training journey. How many of you are ready? How many of you are ready for that? Can you just say, yes, I'm ready? And you cannot mute. Just a minute, I will help you mute. You can just say, yes, I'm ready. How many of you are ready for the 5-week journey? Can I hear you say, yes? You can unmute now. You can unmute now and say, I think you will be able to unmute now. Yes. Just a minute. Yeah, can you unmute now? Are you ready for the journey? Give me that action. Yes, I'm ready. And you can unmute also. All right. Yeah. Are you ready? Can I have that energy from you? Are you ready?
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. Superb. Vishnuji is all with super energy. What about others? Come on, Johnson ji, Pankaj ji, Tirumaran, Shiva, Selvam, Pandian ji, and everyone. Are you all ready for this 5 weeks? Guys, I'm just going to be telling you, like, if you are really going to be taking all efforts by yourself, you're going to be making up your mind, okay, today, let me take everything online. Let me start becoming an online trainer. Now, if I had to do that by myself, I would say it will take years. It will take years to manifest. It's not that I cannot do, but it will take years. But when I took help from people, when I took help from the right people, when I had a step-by-step process of how to do it, then it is so easy. Now it's just like this. You are going to be riding a bicycle. If there is somebody who can teach you, this is the brake, this is how the axle, this is how you need to balance step by step, telling you how to go ahead, then it's easy for you to give your attempt. Now imagine you need to learn all that by yourself. You don't even know where the brake is. You don't even know what is anything. You need to learn everything by yourself. Then it's going to consume a lot of your time, money, and energy. Yes. So that is what this is going to be helping you to do. In 5 weeks, we are going to be step by step helping you kickstart your online training journey. How many of you feel that's really awesome? Just type ASUM, that is awesome, in the chat. Just type that. How many of you feel this is really awesome for you? Amazing, amazing. So I'm going to be now sharing with you every step, what you're going to be getting and what you need to do. Yes. So going to the step number 1. Step number 1 is about knowing yourself, identifying your niche. Now guys, every Tom, Dick and Harry is going to be a trainer after this. You go and meet 10 people, 4 people or 6 people out of the 10 people will say, I'm into training. But in that scenario, if you need to really go ahead and start, doing your success journey, you need to have that uniqueness. You need to know what is your niche. And that is possible only if, only if you're very clear about how you or what is that you can really do. Yes. So here we are going to have a step-by-step pattern of first knowing yourself, knowing your passion and identifying your niche. And then you will be given that assessments which will clearly help you easily identify what is your niche. And if you had to take that all by yourself, I took 10 years to find my niche. Okay, I took 10 years. I was just doing trainings. I was like telling myself I'm a freelance trainer, which did not give me any identity. Telling to people I'm a freelance trainer did not give me that identity. People were like treating like a normal trainer. But now when I found my niche, I go and say, people, I'm a happiness and success coach. And you can be a freedom coach. You can be a money saver coach, whatever. But that niche you need to find out. Once you go and say. So here's going to be a simple question I'm going to ask you. Okay, you are having a ear pain, or you are going to have some nervous issues. If that is the case, will you go into a general physician or a specialist doctor who treats nervous issue? Obviously, everybody will choose the specialist. And that is how it's going to be. It's going to be, the field is going to be. Unless you know your niche, people are going to be treating you the same way, like a general doctor. Yes. And of course, the earning is also 10 times more compared to the general doctor. A general doctor, whatever he earns, it's going to be lesser compared to a specialist doctor who will be just earning in one surgery. Now that's how everything is going to change. So the first step is going to be identifying your unique self. What is your niche? Where is that you're going to have your pitch for the training? All right, that is the first step. And the second step is like, how many of you are really interested to know your niche? Can I have you in the chat? If you're interested to know your niche, just type NICHE, niche, in the chat, so that I will know. Just type NICHE so that I will know. Amazing, amazing. So Vishnuji, Pandyanji, everyone wants to know your niche. Beautiful. Yes. So that is going to be your first step where you will find your niche. Once you find your niche, and I need to tell this, okay, when I was doing my PhD, basically like the first year only, I wrote 10 international papers and submitted for the conferences. Okay, and it's all published in wonderful international journals. And there are people who will come in almost every month. I used to write a paper because I was so passionate about the topic that I had. And people used to come and ask me, how do you do that? How do you actually, write so many papers where we are struggling to write even one paper? Then I would say that if you're marrying the right person, any number of kids is not an issue. I was just joking like that. So similarly, I need to tell you that, once you find your niche, once you know that is your passion, now developing any number of courses in that is not an issue. And you can go explore, get deeper into that niche, and it will be all fun for you. It's going to be a lot of, excitement and enjoyment for you. So I would say that as part of Happiness and Success courses, we have already launched 15 plus courses this year alone, and out of which 10 are already there uploaded in our portal. Okay, so now the second step, once you find your niche, you are going to learn how to create a course. Okay, you will, from having a course name, having a purpose related to it, how to frame the content, how to get your PowerPoint presentation ready, what should be the flow, how to get a introduction, prelude session ready, how to get your main session ready. All these things are something very important. Now that you're in the train the trainer prelude session, and we have a main session. Now I'm doing this course, okay, and it's all in a flow. All right, how to do that? That is what you're going to learn in the step number 2. All right, and I need to tell you that it's all going to be like a proper checklist with all beautiful templates in place where you need to just fill it and you get the answers. All right. But that involvement of getting to work with it is something that you need to give. We cannot do that. We can give you all that is required, but you need to put that commitment and involvement. All right, how many of you are ready to put that commitment and involvement? Just type CI, that is commitment and involvement. How many of you are ready to put your commitment and involvement and learn how to create the courses? That's amazing. That's amazing. And once you have found your niche, you have learned to create your course. Now the next part is, step number 3, that is actually dealing your audience or learning the skills to become the best trainer. And there's going to be a lot of audience engagement ways. You will learn a lot of NLP techniques for that also. And you will learn a lot of activities, a lot of experiential training, ways of engaging the audience and taking forth whatever you want to say in a very, very interesting way. And you will learn, most importantly, the interpersonal skills and intrapersonal skills of a trainer, which is actually speaking, the interpersonal skills and intrapersonal skills of an online trainer is totally different from that of a face-to-face trainer. All right, the skills are totally different. If you are a face-to-face trainer who are actually given a lot of super energy and enthusiasm, and you know all the knacks of engaging the audience in a face-to-face, there is a huge possibility you will fail as an online trainer if you don't know how to handle audience online. Okay, so my PhD is entirely about that. 5 years ago, I did my PhD into how to do training and recruitment online and how to make it that effective. which is going to be effective, face to face or online, and the result came as online. That time I didn't believe, but now I'm using every technique I learned in my PhD and it is giving me results. Yes, results to the extent that for the past 1.5 years, we have covered at least 15,000 people through trainings already during the pandemic. That is the kind of results it's giving us. Okay, so that is what, how many of you are aspiring to be a best trainer? How many of you want to be the best trainer that people will love to seek? Just type BT. If you're really aspiring to be the best trainer, type BT. Amazing, Vishnuji. Amazing. Pandianji, super. Wonderful. Wonderful. What about others? Yeah, Selvam wants to be the best trainer. And we had a couple of them join now also. What about others? Regina ji, hi, welcome. So are you aspiring to be that best trainer? Just type BT. If you want to learn the skills for becoming that best trainer that people will love to learn from. Yes, just type that BT. Wonderful. Okay, now going to step number 4. Now you found your niche. You have actually started to, put your course also in place. You know how to engage the audience. The most important thing is marketing. Once you have everything ready, you still need to learn to market your course. How to do that? There are a lot of ways where you can take your course forward. You can take it as a WhatsApp training. You can take it as a Zoom training. You can take it as a product, you can put your course as a product, allow people to take it. A lot of ways of doing it, and each one has a very different way of marketing. And for the past, I would say 2+ years, we have been only researching on this and found out a lot of things on how and what it works. Okay. And that is what you're going to learn in step number 4. And most importantly, you will also learn the concept of affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and individual marketing. Now, these 3 are very important for anybody. And these 3 are going to be different sources of income. So in each of it, you will get, separate income streams. All right. How many of you want to raise your income? Yeah. How many of you want to raise your incomes and have continuous flow? Just type income ready. Just type income ready if you're ready to get a lot of income for you from different avenues. Amazing. Amazing. Beautiful. Okay. And now going into step number 5. Step number 5 is all about testing. Okay, launching the course. And you will learn the various ways of launching it. There is a funnel system. There are a lot of things how you can launch it. And you can launch it in a portal. You can launch it by yourself. There are a lot of options for doing that. And everything will be there. And once by the step number 5, your course is also going to be ready. And you are going to get that certificate and become a certified trainer. How many of you love to have and become that certified trainer? All right. How many of you want to have that course as your legacy waiting for you? Just type CT, that is certificate, certified trainer. You want to be that. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So now there are some people who will say, I already know all these things. Why should I learn from you? Or why should I learn now? I need to tell you that knowing is not real power, but implementation of the knowledge is real power. And if you feel that you're already knowing many of these, but if you've not implemented it, then it's equal to not knowing. Say like, I know how to swim, but I've never swimmed in the ocean. Now, if anybody throws me in the ocean, I cannot survive. That is the power of implementation. You need to see, when I know something, I need to imply that. And in this train the trainer course, what you will be given is like totally all the step-by-step procedure. Whatever you are learning right away, you will implement in that week. You will get that checklist wherein you will implement it right away in that week. And when you're doing like, small drops is going to build that ocean. When you're putting it drop by drop, you will not know that, it's difficult or painful and all. You will feel it so easy and so comfortable. That's what you're going to be experiencing here. Yes. So I'm just going to be showing you our platform where we have already implemented, and where we are going to be inviting you also to implement. So this is a platform called hasforall.com, and that is happiness and success for all. That is our mission. We want to have happiness and success accessible for everyone, and we are actually inviting people for that. And this train the trainer is also with a mission to create a lot of coaches who can spread that happiness and success to all people. So currently these are the courses that we have already put up in our portal, and anybody who wants to take can just go log in and say I want 365 days of happiness and success. I'll just go log in, and then they can just go buy the course. Like how you do in Amazon, you need to create your account, and then you will log in and you can buy the course. You put that in the cart, how many ever courses you want, and you can buy it. Yes. So this is the cart. All right, I can buy the course. So that's how easy it is going to be. And here you will have the trainer profiles. Currently it is only the trainer profile is mine. Probably when you're putting your courses, we will also include all the other trainers profiles also. And then these are the testimonials. Who are all the success stories by doing your course? See, for the first course, for the first time, you need to take efforts to get that testimonial from people, like creating that success stories. Now that for the past 5+ years we have created so many success stories with our courses, and we have actually put it up all that. Yes, all the success stories have been put up here. All right. So these are a lot of pages. It's running to a lot of pages. Okay. So that's how the success stories are already there. Now guys, if it's so easy that when you put your course here, you just give that link, ask them to go take the course. That's so easy, as easy as that. All right. And you know what, like everything is already here. When they come and log in, they will know that this is going to be a very trusted source where there are a lot of people who have already had success stories. There are a lot of trainers involved in this, and so everything is going to be like totally all set for you. Okay, how many of you are really liking this? How many of you love this platform? Just type love in the chat. How many of you love the platform? Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, so this is a sample. Now this drpurnia.com is going to be my personal website. This is asforall.com is for everybody. Like for everyone to come and access and have that flair of happiness and success in their lives. So basically, like though all of us are there with the intention to be happy and successful in our lives, there are no schools or colleges that has taught us really how to be happy and successful in our lives. And that is the mission of having this Has for All, where we are telling to people your happiness and success is for all and not for just very percentage of people. Currently only 5 to 6% of the people are experiencing happiness and success in their lives, and rest of the 90% plus people are there still searching for it, and we are there to help them out. Now I need to tell you that this train the trainer journey is not for someone who is not wanting to train, or who is not wanting to lead, or who does not have a bigger vision. If you are coming into any of these categories, this train the trainer is not for you. I really wanted people who are committed to train, lead, and have a bigger vision to contribute to the happiness and success of people around them. Yes, if you have a vision like that, then type in the chat vision. Type in the chat vision ready. If you have that vision, then just type vision. Yeah, if you really want to help people, if you have that vision, if you want to contribute to people, then type this. Just type that. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, and that is the kind of people we really want to work with also. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you. If in the whole session you want to take something, I want you to take this slide. Okay, decide, commit, focus, succeed. This is what I want you all to take. I want you to quickly decide. I want you to commit. I want you to focus. And once you do all this, success is all yours. Nobody can take it from you. So I need to tell you that it's for me, it all started with that one decision. The same time last year when pandemic was on, I was totally working with corporate schools and colleges, and I realized that it is going to be obsolete after this. There is no corporate, no schools, no colleges going to be open. Then what do I do? How do I contribute? But I want to contribute to people. Now, that was the time I decided. I decided that I am going to go online and reach to more than ever people, and I committed to it. I put all my focus to it. Guys, I need to tell you, within 1 year only, there's a rocket speed of success that I really experienced. All right. So I need to tell you that, yes, I had made a lot of investment during this 1 year because I did not know and I had no time to learn all that by myself. I really made a lot of investment with the best of the best people. I've invested lakhs during the pandemic. Okay, and that was a decision that helped me now to actually contribute multifold than I ever thought. Okay, so if you were asking me whether I would be really very confident to take train the trainer program, training trainers, I would say no before 5 years. But now I'm ready for it because I have already gained all the rights to actually train people on that because I've gone through that journey. I know what is going to be the ups and downs there, and I can totally help people also handle their ups and downs. That is a confidence, and that is why we are launching this train the trainer online program. Now here is a question that you will all have in mind: why train the trainer online program, and why from Dr. Purni's HAS Academy? I need to tell you that wherever I learned from the world's best, I was one among hundreds of people. But that is not going to be the case for you. I will be there to handhold you and take you forward and help you out in every possible places where you find really gaps. And second thing is, like, during this pandemic situation, this is the right time for you to have a course in hand and start up immediately after the pandemic is over. Now, when you have a set of courses now already created, I'm going to be really telling you that after this pandemic, you're ready to launch everything. And during this pandemic itself, you will launch a couple of them. All right. So you need not wait. You need not wait for anybody. You need not wait for the pandemic to get over. Your success journey is already get start go. And the third thing is, like, you will have a mastermind group. So this program is with at least 10 to 15 of you who will be in a group, who will be motivating each other. Like one person does, then the other person will be more pushed to do it. So your commitment is going to be higher when you're working in a group than as a single person. So because other people are doing, okay, let me also do it. When they can do, I can do it. So that is going to be a positive competition that's going to happen. And that is going to be a push. That's the power of a mastermind. I need to tell you that all my courses have mastermind groups. My Ignite Your Life course, mastermind group, there were people who started walking as 1,000 steps a day. Now they are walking 10,000 steps a day. each of us motivate each other. All right. So guys, I need to tell you that having a mastermind and working is totally different experience. And then you will also, and most importantly, you have actually found out a way for continuous income while you're sleeping itself. Yes, once your course is ready, you have uploaded in portal, there are a lot of chances that people will come buy your course anytime. All right. So that is the advantages of having this train the trainer online and having it done from our academy. And the most of your benefits for completing the course will be, first thing, you will accelerate your career. You will find your niche and identity easily. And third thing is, you will straight cut through the noisy present industry and just go straight into where you are really, destined for, because you have already found your niche. And there are a lot of people who did not find their niche. They're doing everything and anything. And the fourth thing is, you will make more money. And the fifth thing is, you will help and reach out to lots of people. You will contribute to the world. And most importantly, you will start creating that legacy that you can leave forward. And very importantly, you will find your own voice. How many of you want to experience all that? Type I in the chat. How many of you want to experience all this? Type I in the chat. If you want to experience that, just type I in the chat. Yes? Okay. Vishnuji, all of you. Wonderful. Wonderful. All right. So I'm going to be telling you the package, whole package worth, and you're not going to pay that worth, because today is a special day. You're all here in this conference today, in this session. You've made your time. I'm really going to be very, very nice to you. Okay. So I'm going to be totally telling you the worth of the package, and I truly mean it. Yes. So this is going to be the worth of the package that you're going to get. Identifying your niche. If you're going to attend it as a separate program, they charge you 5,500, nothing lesser than that. This is the least they charge you. They will even charge more, 10,000 also. And learn to create your own course. They will charge you 12,500. I'm telling about the standard trainings, international level. I'm not talking about the local trainings at all. Okay, I'm talking about the international standard trainings, and that is what you're going to experience. And third thing is, like, learn the skills to become the best trainer. Definitely 15,000 or more. Okay, and learn the marketing skills, 7,500 or more. I'm just putting the minimum cost they will charge. And launching your own course in a platform like this, after getting certified as a trainer, you will need to spend close to 1,20,000 minimum. So guys, putting all this together, I would say that this course is going to be worth at least minimum 1,60,000. Minimum 1,60,000. Okay, so that is going to be the worth of this course. And today I'm going to be giving you a crazy offer, and it's only for today. It's only for people who take action today, because we have already half the batch is filled, and we are going to be closing the batch for today itself. And I'm going to be very kind to you. I'm going to be giving a lot of special offers, but along with this whole package of 1,60,700, how many of you want more bonus gifts? Just type bonus gifts. Just type bonus gifts. If you love bonus gifts, then you can type I love bonus. Just type I love bonus. How many of you love bonus? How many of you want bonus gifts? Are you ready for that? Just type I love bonus in the chat. You don't want bonus gifts, I'm not going to give you. How many of you want that? Wonderful. Vishnuji wants it. So I'm going to give only for Vishnuji the bonus gifts. What about others? What about others? Okay, Pankaj ji wants it. Okay. Others don't want the bonus? Okay. If you really want the bonus, then just type bring it on. B-I-O. Bring it on. Type B-I-O. If you want bonus, just type bring it on. How many of you want it? Just type B-I-O. Okay. So guys, here is a bonus gift for you. Today's action takers. You are going to be getting that 3 months hands-on coaching worth rupees 50,000 absolutely free. Okay. If you are taking the action today, you're going to get that 3 months hands-on coaching. And you will also get content for 25 key topics of personality development, which you can use for your trainings or you can use for yourself also. Okay. But I would say that I will be, once you learn the way of content, once you learn how to cook, you will not be searching for hotel food. You will want to cook it by yourself. So once you learn how to create your own courses, you will not look for content, for ready-made PPTs. You want to create it for yourself. But still, I'm going to give you 25 key topics, personality development PPTs. That is going to be a content, and it will cover all the major areas from leadership to conflict handling to so many things, to team building, everything. How many of you want this, love this bonus? Just type I love bonus. Just ILB. Just type ILB. If you love this bonus and you want it, just type ILB. Wonderful. Okay, Vishnuji wanted. Who else wants it? Who else wants it? Just type ILB if you want to have the bonus. Okay, Selvam ji wants it. Who else wants it? Wonderful. So guys, this is what is going to be today. I'm bringing this, secret out for you. Here is what I'm going to be having a deal with you. Here, this side, you have your minimum takeaway. This side is going to be your investment. When I'm going to be talking, let me talk about your minimum takeaway after you complete the course. Okay? Your course, once you have it ready to launch, you can launch your course at least rupees 1,000 per person. That's a minimum you will launch the course with. You can even launch it with 10,000 per person. That is your wish. But the minimum that you will launch is 1,000 per person. And imagine monthly 5 people get to attend your course. Your monthly income gets to 5,000. Your minimum early income gets to 60,000. And for one course, it's 60,000. If you're launching 5 such courses, then your minimum income for a year gets to 3 lakhs. Now, this is the minimum takeaway that you can have by launching your course and doing Train the Trainer and launching your course. Okay. And now I'm coming to the investment for the Train the Trainer online. So I'm going to be telling you that the investment, the one-time investment for your Train the Trainer course is just going to be 15,000. And you're going to get the worth of 1,60,000 for just 15,000. And why? I need to also tell you why I'm doing this. Now, this 15,000 is going to just cover our expenses of the portal, nothing bigger than that. We are really wanting to do this because of the fact that we want to start helping out people in this pandemic situation. And you all know that in this pandemic situation, needs real proper people to guide and contribute to the wellness of people, to the happiness and success of people around. And that is why we want to launch the Train the Trainer, have properly trained leaders to start contributing to people and start helping them live a life of absolute happiness and success. Okay, so this is going to be a one-time investment for the course, and it is optional. Once you finish the course, there is no compulsion that you need to put it in our platform only. That is a total optional thing. And by the time you complete the course, your confidence level is going to be really skyrocket. Okay, and that time you can decide whether you wanted to take it by yourself or launch it in our platform. And if you are launching in our platform, it is going to be rupees 10,000 per year for the first year, wherein it's just like 1,000 rupees rent, less than 1,000 rupees rent per month. Now, if you're going to do face-to-face training for the hall only, you will pay 10,000 for every training of yours. Now, for the whole year, you're going to just pay 10,000 as a rent for the using the portal. And then as the tickets are getting sold for your program, 75% of the payment goes to you. 10% goes to people who are referring for your course. If you yourself are referring, that 10% also comes to you. And 10% goes to website maintenance and 5% for HasAcademy. This is how it's going to be, as transparent. Okay, very transparent. And how many of you feel this is a fair deal for you? Just type FD if it's a fair deal. Yeah, for getting 3 lakhs a year, for getting 3 lakhs every year, you're going to just invest a couple of thousands. How many of you feel it's a fair deal? Yes? If you feel it's a fair deal, just type FD in the chat. Yes? How many of you feel this is going to be a fair deal for you to see? The thing is, you know what? Now in the current situation, you will think, oh my God, I don't have so much of money. How will I earn it? How will I, now I have only this much saving. If I'm going to use it, what will I do? So many questions will come to your mind, but I'm going to be telling you that, you know, see, even I had the same things when I had to invest last year in lot of courses to learn all these, but it was worthwhile. It was worthwhile because it helped me really elevate from the place I was and till now. I would say that unless you're going to invest on something, you cannot expect returns. How will returns come without investment? So I really had to make a choice when I had to invest 10 lakhs on one of my course. I had to make that choice of breaking my FD. So many things I borrowed from my, you know, from my family members, that which I've never done in my life. But something or the other, but I was able to repay everything. I was able to repay everything within a year. That's how your confidence has to be. And every penny that you invest, your commitment increases, your confidence increases, the way you see yourself, your respect, self-respect increases, and you will be pushed to give your 100%. It all happened with me also, and I'm sure it will happen with you also. So I'm going to have a very special offer today. Okay, so this I've never done in any of my programs, because people come, they pay full, they take the course and go. But today for you, I have a special offer because of this pandemic. How many of you want to know that? Just say bring it on. Just say bring it on. How many of you want to know that? Bring it on. Yes. So all that you need to do is pay a deposit of just 2,500. All right. Within the next 15 minutes, and the window closes after 15 minutes. Now just pay this deposit of 2,500 to make up your mind that you're committing to this course. And then my team will get in touch with you tomorrow to get your whole payment commitment. that you can actually give the dates, okay, and they will be talking to you. All right, so this 2500 is something which you will pay as a deposit today to confirm your plot. And once you do that, my team will be getting in touch with you to ensure that we are giving you all the details required. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting the modes of payment in the chat now. You can either do this as a Google Pay or an account transfer. All right, you can, I put both the options. And if you want to do it as any other option, then you need to reach out to my team. You can just call, let me just put that number also, 9600927699. You can call this number. Okay, you can call this number to for any doubts or clarifications that you are getting. All right, and guys, I need to tell you that this offer is only for today, and we are going to be closing the seats for today. And I need to tell you one very important thing is like, it is only to push you to take action. And why? Because we care for you, and we know that action takers are the only people who can win and succeed. Yes, when you are resistant to take action, how can you succeed? How can, without investment, how can you expect returns? So that is the only point. All right, so make up your mind to just take that shot. If you feel that this course is going to really, even at least, I would say even 50% helpful, if you have that hinge, yeah, I think by doing this course I can go. If you have that hunch in you, just go for it. Otherwise you will be regretting, oh my god, I should have taken the course, why didn't I take? That is a kind of regret which is not required for us. And if you think, okay, let me do it later, why postpone your success? I'm telling you, the 6 months is going to be very crucial. And if you are going to be using this 6 months or this 1 or 2 months to groom yourself and start operating in all the domains where you are really lacking, I'm telling you, once this pandemic is going to close after 2-3 months, you will already be ready to rock in your career. But if this 6 months you're going to wait for the best moment, I'm telling you that best moment can never come. Okay, so whoever is ready, take that action. And all you need to do is to do a Google Pay of 2,500. Send me a screenshot to the same number. All right, send the screenshot to the same number with your name. That's very important. Otherwise, I will not know who paid it. Okay, and as you're going to be paying, I'm going to be reading out who all paid. Okay, so just make your payment, and I'm just waiting for that. All right, so how many of you are ready to make that? If you have any other doubts, I want you to right away get it clarified. Now you can unmute and talk. Whatever doubts you have, you can get it clarified right away now. Any doubts you have? Or you can also share the feedback of what you learned. That is also fine. Yeah. So Johnson ji, Vishnu ji, Selvam ji, what all is your learning? And what is your doubt if you have anything? Have you decided to take that action? Pankaj ji, can you all unmute and talk? You ask anything? Yeah, Vishnu ji.
Hi, Purani, Vishnu here.
Yes.
Thank you for the wonderful session. So we really
Thank you.
enjoyed it. Yeah. I just want to know how the structure of the program. When are you going for when are we planning to take? What are the days? How
Okay.
many? Yeah. How does
That's an
how is the
amazing
structure?
question. I really did not get to tell that because I wanted some of you to ask that. And thank you for putting forth that question. See, the program is going to start from 23rd, that is coming Sunday. And every Sunday from 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock, you will have the session. You will be having a one-on-one live session like this, where I will be teaching you the concepts. And I will also make you practice. And during the week, you're going to be given a checklist of things that you need to implement, and it's going to be a wonderful step-by-step journey, and all you need to do is to just adhere to that checklist. Okay, so your investment with respect to time would be on Sundays 4 hours, every day 1 hour. That should be your mindset for investment with respect to your time. All right, and with respect to uh, the investment with respect to the energy exchange of money, I've already told you. It's going to be a deposit today of 2,500, and the rest my team will be helping you to plan it out, calling you tomorrow. Okay. So any other doubts you have? Are you clear, Vishnuji?
Yeah. How many Sundays? What is the total hours
5
of
weeks.
training?
5 weeks.
5 weeks.
So it's like this. Every week you will go like this. First week you will identify your niche. Second week you will learn to create your course. During that week you will create your course also. Third week you will learn all the skills to become the best trainer. And the fourth week you will learn all the marketing skills and everything that is required to start marketing your course. And you will also finish all the nuances of the recordings that needs to be done for your course. And fifth week you're ready to launch your course. That's how the structure is, and it is going to be a step by step, clear, beautiful way of just going ahead and implementation. That is all the templates are ready for you. Okay, I wish somebody did that for me. But I really want everyone to actually make use of that, you know, this wonderful thing of having a course within a 5 weeks time is a very great thing. And the day you're experiencing that, you will feel that bliss inside you, because I have felt that bliss inside me when I launched my first course. That was like so happy. In the sky I was. So after that, the same format, when this is how salt needs to be used, this is how sugar needs to be used, you can cook any number of dishes. And you're going to do that. How many hour courses you will keep doing? That's not an issue. Yes. Any other questions?
I'm done from my end actually.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your clarification.
Yeah, yeah. All right. So guys,
Pankaj this side. When are
yes,
you starting this session?
23rd, coming Sunday. That is why today is the last introduction session, and after this, there is no way of, there's no way of actually coming into the session for this year. I would say after this, the next batch is going to be next year only, not any time before January. All right. So I would say that, this 15 minutes, if you cannot decide, it's very difficult to decide later on also. That is why we give this 15 minute slot. And anything that you want to learn, you can actually be able to, clarify now only. So that I'm here, you can just get it clarified. Yes. And this only for people who are really, really wanting to come and contribute. That is all. Yes. So any doubts, Pankaj ji, that you have? Okay. Any doubts you have? Johnson ji, what is about you?
It's very clear. I don't have any doubts right now.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll have to check on my priorities and other things, and then I can revert.
Yeah, just check, all that you require is 4 hours on Sundays and 1 hour per day.
Okay.
So that is the commitment. Once you are really convinced to give that commitment, we are open for with you. You're open to take you and really give that 200% to ensure that you are getting done with the course. No doubt about it.
Okay. Overall, very good session and
Yeah, thank
got
you
a
so
good
much.
idea. Yeah.
Thank you. I hope all of you are going to be joining and starting to travel together in this journey of contribution and getting our vision come true. Wishing you all abundance of happiness and success. Thank you.